Round 1 is over. Only 31 schools will be moving on to round 2. On the TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz, who will be the #1 school for 2017? Tune in weekdays at 6:30 p.m. right here on TVJ. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz brought to you by
Go! Packed with nutrition, Lasco food drink, make your day.
The new generation of the most popular smartphones is here. Digicel DL1 range, available in stores now.
I want a true juice, made with the real juice. It's got a fruity, makes you toot. It's got a taste so great, you gotta sip it up.
Discover something new. Discover the KB difference.
All you need to know.
An NTB Start account is a great savings plan for young people. With my Start account, I can save toward all my goals.
My wow moment.
My home moment.
My wow moment.
When school over, I'ma get for me.